What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I found a product on Amazon that's doing over $100,000 per month and they don't have that many reviews. So I'm going to show you this very simple product research method, but I did not find it without doing some digging. So I'm going to show you the whole process. But before we get into my computer, if you could just smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, that would really help me out. So thank you for watching, but let's get into it. So all we do is go on Amazon. I've shown this before, but I'm going to get more in depth. All you do is go right here to new releases, and instead of figuring out what's new, what's trending, Amazon does it for you right here. They're going to show you all the popular trending products on Amazon, and most likely these products are ranking on page 1 and getting a lot of sales. So the first thing you're going to want to do is pick a random category over here. Now, if you've seen my other videos, you all know that I like home and kitchen, so I'm going to click right here. Now, sometimes Amazon will pull up random products in the wrong category. So for example, this product right here is the one that caught my eye. It is water balls, reusable water balloons. Now, the whole point of product research is finding products that you never knew existed. So I would have never known about reusable water balloons. I only know about water balloons that pop when you throw them. So how is a water balloon reusable? So what I did is I clicked right here and I saw that the price point was very low. Obviously, I'm not going to sell a product at a $2 or $3 price point because you're going to lose money after Amazon's fees. So from here, I wanted to do more research. I could see that this is a generic brand. So I want to look at the overall market for the main keyword. So first off, what I did was I ran Helium-10 X-ray. If you don't have Helium-10, I do have a discount code down below, but I ran X-ray to see if this seller is actually getting any sales. It's the best seller, but it is brand new. They have 0 reviews, but that is because they probably don't have enough data yet because they just launched these on Amazon. So we can see the price is very low, and we have NA, which means not applicable, or there's no data on this product yet because it's so new. So I want to look at the overall market and see if there's other people selling these on Amazon. So what I will do is I'll take one of the top keywords right here. So I saw reusable water balloons. Typically, Amazon sellers put their main keywords at the top of their title because those are the keywords that are going to have the most people searching for them. And then that is how you do your product research based off of that main keyword. So to check on that, what I did was I just copied this keyword right here. I typed it in on Amazon. I hit search, and these all popped up. So I started seeing these other reusable water balloons or water balls, whatever they are. And you could see like this one only has 4 stars. They're selling these at $23 and they don't have thousands of reviews, and they are on page 1. And a lot of them are not even that same exact product. So what I'll do is, again, I run Helium-10 X-ray, and we are going to check the overall market to see if these people are actually getting sales on Amazon. So we could come down here, and I'm going to organize it from highest to lowest revenue so we can see what the top seller is and what they are ranking for to make sure that this is the main keyword. So I'm going to click on revenue. I'm going to click on it again so it goes from highest to lowest. And right here, we can see that this is not that same product. But right here, we could see that those are those reusable water balloons on Amazon. They're selling a 51 pack at $27, and they are making over $130,000. So they're doing estimated $134,000 a month in sales, and they have 381 reviews. So that makes me think like this market is not too competitive. Obviously, it is going to be seasonal, but I'll point that out in a minute. But you can see these other sellers. Let's see if that's the same thing. Again, these are water beads, half pound, refill. That is not the same thing. So I'll come down and make sure that there's other sellers actually making any sales. And here's this one right here. Water balls, reusable. They are making around $32,000 a month with 238 reviews. This one has 119 reviews. They are making around $17,000 a month. This one only has 15 reviews, and they are making around $11,000 per month. So if we were to go in here and actually delete all of the products that are not those same reusable water balloons, we will have a better idea of what the market is and how much money they're actually making. So I'm going to do that right now so you don't have to wait and watch. I will be right back. All right, so I deleted all of the irrelevant products so we have a better idea of the overall market. And we can see now the average reviews are a lot less, 71. The BSR is great, under 50,000. Price point is good. Average revenue is 15,000. And now we have a better picture of the overall market. So that's what you want to do when you're doing product research, because there's usually a lot of different products that pull up. but you want to make sure you're doing the research on the right product. So to find the main keyword, we could see that reusable water balloons has 9,600 monthly searches, but we want to make sure we're doing the right product research on the main keyword with the most searches on Amazon. So what I'm going to do is take this seller right here that's doing $134,000 a month. I'm going to run it in Cerebro, and I'm going to make sure that this is the main keyword. So we are going to let it load here, and then I'm going to go right here to organic rank. I usually do 1 through 5 or 1 through 10. I'm going to hit apply filters, and then I'm going to go down here, search volume from highest to lowest. So they are ranking for this keyword that has over 100,000 monthly searches, but that's a very broad keyword. Water toys could be like a tube that floats, a raft, a water gun. So typically this could be a very broad keyword that you would not target as your main keyword because there are a lot of different products that will pop up. Same with summer toys, same with outside toys. So we want to find the most relevant keyword related to our product, which is going to be right here. So obviously all of these have a lot more searches, but that is not the exact product. The exact product, which is your main keyword, is going to be this one right here, which is reusable water gun or reusable water balloons. They have 9,600 monthly searches. The trend is up 200%, probably because we are going into summer. So that's what I want to get into next. So if you've seen my other videos, again, if you are new to the channel, I always do this, but I like to look at the search volume history to check demand over the whole year. We could also do like all time right here. And we could see, obviously, this is going to be a seasonal product because it's a water balloon. Nobody's throwing water balloons during the winter time, but they are buying these going into, it looks like May, June, July, and demand starts to drop off after September. So whenever you're doing product research, even though I thought that was a winning product, I knew in the back of my head that it is a seasonal product. But if it wasn't for the seasonality, that might be a good product to sell. So another thing I wanted to show you is if you go to Alibaba to find a manufacturer and see what their margins are, let me show you an example real quick. So I'm going to go back to Amazon. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to hit find suppliers on Alibaba. Now it does not bring up the same product. So a lot of you might run into this issue, and let me show you how to work around it. So you see all of these different balloons. These are not the same thing. These are not the same thing. These are all different types of water balloons. So the closest one is going to be this one, but that looks like a different type of product. Looks like it's like handmade. So I want to find this product on Alibaba. So we're going to get out of here. I'm going to go back to the main keywords in their title. And I could see right here like soaker bomb, splash water ball. So these are called water balls, not reusable water balloons on Alibaba. So what I'll do is I'll take water balls. I'll go into Alibaba. So I'll type in water splash ball. Now it's going to bring up different types of water balloons down here. And we can see that these are the same exact cotton type splash water balls that are on Amazon. So we could see like this pack of 61 water balls is $1.50. So let's actually click on this right here. And you could see that it's $1.50 for this box of reusable water balls. So this would be the actual product, not those other water balloons that were popping up. So if we go back on Amazon, we could see that they're selling them for around $17 for a 72 pack, $20 for a 60 pack. So their margins are pretty large. If you guys want to see, I will actually pull up the Amazon FBA revenue calculator. All right, so this is the revenue calculator by Amazon. This is their new version. I'm going to do an updated video for the program that I offer if you guys did not see this yet. But this is their new FBA revenue calculator. You're going to go right here to search Amazon catalog, and we are going to go to the closest seller on Amazon to see what our fees are going to be. So I'm going to go back to Amazon right here, and let's say that we want to sell a 60 pack. It looks pretty much the same as these right here. That's kind of cool. This person actually differentiated by adding like a little game board to it. So you throw the balls through these, kind of like skee ball, and you get points. So that's kind of a cool idea for a product differentiation, which is key. I would have never thought of this idea. So that's a good idea for this type of product. Now I'm getting off topic. So what I'm going to do is go to their ASIN number. You could find it in the search bar. You could find it right here if you have helium-10, or you could scroll down on their listing and find it right down here. So I am going to copy the ASIN, which is right here. It says ASIN. I'm going to take that. It's basically the product ID number. I'm going to go into my Amazon FBA revenue calculator, and I'm going to paste it right here, and we are going to hit search. So now we could see like your fulfillment. If you were to pack and ship these over here, I'm not going to do that. I want to do FBA. Amazon is going to pack and ship all of my orders. So we're going to put the sale price right here. It's automatically filled in from the other seller on Amazon. The only thing you have to do is go down here and do the cost of goods sold. So on Alibaba, let's say that they're $1.50 with shipping. Once we get a quote, let's say that it's going to be around $3 landed with shipping included. So I'm going to go back to the revenue calculator. I'm going to hit $3 right here. So now that it has the $3 cost, if we were to sell these at the same price as that other seller, we would be around a 30% profit margin, which is great. Anything lower, it gets kind of slim after you run ads on Amazon, depending on how competitive the market is. But a 30% profit margin is pretty good. That's what I like to aim for on my products that I sell on Amazon. So that is how you figure out your profit margin. A cool thing about this revenue calculator is during the Q4 or quarter 4, when it's the holidays, their fees are going to go up. So you can actually calculate for that. So we're actually going to click right here where it says October to December. And we will see our profit margin only drops by about 2% during that holiday because your storage fee will go up. Now, recently I did have a student say, how do I figure out my storage fees? Basically, you are going to multiply this number right here. This is for 1 unit. If you are selling 500 of these, you would multiply 500 times 30 cents, and that is going to be around $200 per month for your storage if you are shipping in 500 units. So that's a cool trick that you could estimate your FBA storage fees. Remember, they do charge you to store your inventory, so the larger the product or the box that you sell on Amazon, the more expensive your storage fees will be. All right, so that's how I found a product that does over $100,000 a month with less than 1,000 reviews. But again, it is a seasonal product, as we saw right here. And then we could click right here and we could see that during the summertime, great demand, but all of these other months, not even 500 people are looking for this product. All right, guys, that is it for this video. If you need Helium-10, I have discount codes down below. Join my Amazon FBA Facebook community down below. I also have a program that teaches you everything step by step. That is also down below. If you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure to do that right now. But that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.